Sometimes I wonder if these walls were built to keep us in, rather than to keep the world out. It's like I'm destined to be bound to desks, schedules, to expectations. I find solace in the realm of the words, in the pages that transport me far beyond these drab corridors. Books, they're not just ink on paper. They're portals to worlds where the sky isn't limited by the ceiling above, where adventure awaits beyond the next chapter.
They were behind the shed, right? And Esme saw them. Yeah. And she ran off in the direction, bawling her eyes out. Like, genuinely like a baby, just crying. It was so funny. I never thought that was like,
wake up, smoked worm.
Don't you see anything more than this? Can't you perceive a better place? Perhaps you're all just stuck here. Figments of my imagination. I wish I could just close my eyes and make everything go away.
Name? Name, please?
Lily.
Lily, we've been expecting you here.
Expecting?
Expecting me?
Without you, we wouldn't exist.
Well, who are you? And what are you expecting?
Inside this are all the times you've escaped your reality. Your dreams make our world exist. So every time you arrive, you put another dream in the jar.
So I've been here before.
Doesn't all of this paperwork give you a clue?
Am I stuck here?
The question I find is, where do you want to be stuck?